Hello and welcome to another editing quickie. This one is about using the shuttle play. The what? The shuttle play. Let me try and explain. This clip that I've got on my timeline here is 25 minutes long. Now, when I want to edit it, what I could do is I could go through it at normal speed, but I don't want to. I want to go through it quite quickly because I don't want to sit here for 25 minutes and watch this. So one way of doing it is to scrub through the timeline using the playhead like this. But you're scrubbing through a lot of missing information. You are missing information when you're scrubbing through. Another way to do it is to use shuttle play, and that's done on the L key. All you do is just press the L key and it plays. Press the L key again and it plays faster. Press the L key again and it plays even faster. Press the L key again and it plays much faster. As you can see, it's actually playing quite fast going through. That's shuttle forward. If I want to stop that, I can either use the stop button there or press K. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If you press the J key, we're now shuttling backwards. Press J again, we're shuttling backwards faster. Press J again, we're shuttling backwards even faster. So that's a very quick way to transport yourself along the editing pipeline with the J, K and L keys. I hope that helps you. Look out for more editing quickies from me in the near future.